Hey tribe, what it do? Good afternoon, good morning, or good night, wherever time it is, wherever you at right now. But y'all, today we are serving bonnet, okay? Ooh, but we are not gonna just serve bonnet. We oh my god, there's a hole in my shirt, y'all. Don't judge me. This show must go on though, okay? So we gonna take this wig right here and turn her into bop this. Yes, that's right. Vibes flowing, full, voluptuous, delicious, baby. Ooh. So if you'd like to find out how, then keep watching. All right, y'all. So this is about to be better than a quick weave, quicker than a quick weave, better than a quick weave. Did I say that already? Because we about to turn our YourPart unit into a quick weave. Okay, so let's take the bonnet off. Boo. I should have left that shit. Okay, anyway, so this is an idea of the braid pattern that I have going on underneath. We are going to have some leave out in the back on the sides, baby. And it don't matter what you braid up. Yeah, it don't need to be cute because who cares? Nobody's going to say. Nobody's going to know. All right, so at the top, I'm like having micro leave out. You see how much leave out that is? Like barely anything, but I do have an anchor braid that I'm going to sew the top of this unit onto, as well as the perimeter if you feel like it. But we're going to get into that after, because to be honest with you, you really don't even need to if you're like me and you want a few tricks up your sleeve. But this little piece of hair, yikes. Okay, anyways, let's move on. Okay, so this unit, if your head is extra small, what you can do is you can, before you even put this on, you can tack the back, right, and stitch it across lightly, or you can stitch it along the sides near the nape area, and that way you can kind of make your unit a little bit smaller, as you are going to be having leave out. So sometimes, depending on your head size and whatnot, you might need to make the unit a little bit smaller so that it fits. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is actually cut off the clips at the top. Do not throw them out. Keep them to the side, baby, because you are going to want to keep them for the next time you want to wear this as a removable unit. So after the clips are cut off, I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to sew this. So instead of sewing it on the parting at the edge of the unit, I'm actually going to be parting the hair and then sewing in between the edge, so that my stitch is underneath. It's not on the outside, if that makes sense. Follow along. All right, so I pop the unit on, and then I low-key kind of like start falling in love with her again, where I'm like, ooh, do I even want to straighten her? I don't know. Okay, I moved on. So that is my anchor braid right there, right? So one of them. And that is where I'm going to be sewing the top of the unit onto. But like I said, I'm not going to be sewing it from the edge of the unit. I'm going to be sewing it from underneath, right? So like that. See where my finger is? That's really where my stitch is going to go. And I'm going to have that little bit of hair over top. It's pretty simple, very straightforward. I mean, if you're more comfortable stitching it on the edge, then you could also do that. Okay, now that we are tacked in, as you can see, it's just be blending so easily already, and my leave out isn't even out yet. But anywho, so these are the parts now that are very optional. You can either go in and sew it down all along the perimeter behind your leave out on your anchor braid, or hey, you could take that clip and just clip it in, because I like accessibility, that I can itch my head and do what I need to do, instead of really being fully committed with it being sewn everywhere. So that's up to you. Now I'm going to blow her out. So I just sprayed her with a little bit of water, use my Denman brush. I'm using a little bit of the tension method to stretch it out before I go back in again with my Denman brush. Oh my God. Look how this just blows out. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair, y'all. Like, ooh, butter. Butter. Like, I really believe every Black woman needs a textured unit, or 5. We need stuff that looks like our hair, can protect our hair while still being able to have fun on the outside of our hair, baby. Let's get back to the blow dry. And as I was blow drying it, I was just falling more and more in love with this hair just because it looks so natural, y'all. I didn't even take out my leave out yet. Like the braids are still there, the twists are still there, but look, it's gonna be so nice and flat, flat, when it's time to put this in a cute, undetectable ponytail. Versatility, what? Yeah. Okay, so now I am just creating my middle part. Now I'm taking out my leave out to really give her the last finished blended look. Y'all know I love a middle part, but I will show you later that this actually can be worn in like the flip over method type vibe, but I usually love a middle part, so that's why I left that little mini micro leave out at the top. Ooh, et voila, we have this big bodied hair, y'all. I just love that it looks so voluminous, but look, it can be pinned up so easily, just depending on how much leave out you have in the back, baby. But we in this, okay? Ooh, look at the leave out, so smooth. Okay, look at that. Look how flat that is. Oh my God, I love this look already, and we haven't even styled her. So I decided to go with my, I believe, is this a 2 inch? Yeah, it's like a 2 inch flat iron and do some curls with that. Shout out to my cousin Jewel who gifted me this iron, y'all. Love ya. So yeah, we went through the entire head, curling everything away from the face and allowing the magic of the flat iron curls to do what they do, baby. And if you're ever unsure which direction, it's always away from the face for this type of look, that more like Farrah Fawcett type vibes. So you see how at first it almost seems like the curling iron didn't curl it. It just needs a little help getting into its set form. So just flip it a little and you'll see the curl kind of come together. But baby, I absolutely love how full this is, how voluminous this is, how it's black girl giving Farrah Fawcett meets like bodied Afrofuturistic texture. You know what I'm saying? I know you feel me, but anyways, one thing we can't forget is my earrings. Ain't no look a look without. Oh yeah, there. Ain't a look without some earrings. You guys already know I can't complete anything without some Juju. So y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. I feel like I'm gonna be rocking this one for a little while because I just love the versatility of it. I'm still gonna be able to wear this at the gym. I didn't sew everything down, so I'm gonna be able to still access my scalp, to still treat my scalp throughout the week. I'm loving it, honey. Now, you know I love me my middle part, so okay, don't even look. If anybody even comments about my nails, you're gonna slap. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that you don't have to do a middle part. You can tousle it over and give yourself that look of like no part tousle, darling. I'm also showing you this, but trying not to mess up my part at the same time. But I love that about this. If you want to just do that flip over method type of look, or baby, if you want to do like a half up, half down style, you can definitely do that. Just obviously do it properly, brush it up good, and pay that attention. But how cute is that? I also love a half up. Ooh. Y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Okay. All right. Oh, sorry. One more time. Don't mind the hole in my shirt. I hope my hair is louder than my hole because, baby, a little up to is going to do it. All right, y'all. I am clearly obsessed with this hair, and you can be too. So hit that description box below, baby. Yes, darling. All right, y'all. That is all for today. Thanks for putting up with me and all my foolishness. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, y'all. It's popping as lit over her. And that's all. I love y'all. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.